Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today I want to show you how you can integrate AI image generation in your Delphi VCL or FMX app. And what you can see here on the monitor is an AI generated image. And I will show you at first how I have made the integration in general, how it works. And then I show you how I made the solution in Delphi. I use here an Ollama server that is running on a Mac Mini. Okay, let's close this. I have integrated in the option dialog possibility to select the model that you will use for this image generation. One can say test connection, then all models that are available at the server will be listed. And you have to use here this xflux2 minus klein 4b. This is a very good model for image generation. And now in this program I select only new image from AI prompt, and then we can here put in our text. I've made already a test. I can reopen this prompt that I always save when I make here a request. So I open this prompt and I've got this picture as result. But I want to show you that we can modify it. We can say a good looking woman with red hair is standing in the front of car. I change the file name also a little bit. And then we simply change also the size. By the way, this size is here a YouTube thumbnail size. I very often use this now to make my YouTube thumbnail with its functionalities. But now I send this request to the server. It will take 10 to 20 minutes, and then we will receive this image. So, and now you receive this result, and you can see the woman has now red hairs. And I can now take it over in my image editor, or if I'm not satisfied with this, I can also simply delete it. Okay, and now we're going to Delphi and I will show you how I have made this there. At first I have to say I've not used the smart AI components that is also offered over Get because that supports only the paid AI generation models, OpenAI or something like this, that where you need an API key. But not supported is Ollama with image generation. So you have to make your own solution if you want to do this. So I have now started a remote connection to my development PC, and you see here the dialog where we can make our request and receive our data. I use only this Ollama image client unit that I have asked ChatGPT to create for me. It has only 380 lines. It's very short and very easy. The first that I have shown you in the video before was a request for the models. Therefore, we have here the function list model names. Just I want to remark, I will upload this unit to my dev page where you can download it and use it for free if you want. The important functionality is here the function generate image to file. Here it checks the prompt, and if we have give over a base URL and a model when we create this class, and then we make a JSON request where we add the description for the model, the prompt, and the size that we want, and also the format. Then we create a string stream and make a request with this HTTP post. And we are waiting for the result that we will receive here. And then we simply extract the JSON code and the base 64 code and convert the 64 base to bytes and save this here on disk. Therefore, we have the two helper function here, extract base 64 from image and getting bytes from the base 64 at least. So it's very easy and it works very well. And I show you in short how I call this from my unit. So you input here the prompt and you get always a PNG image. So if you want to save it as JPEG or another format, you have to handle that by yourself. I've integrated here this for me, but it's not necessary that you do it for you. It depends on your demands. So I simply have here the prompt and get the data for the size information, and then I put this request in a task so that the application don't blocks. Yeah, and this is the function here, or let's start at the beginning. First we create this model, create this image client class, we integrate our general data, and then we going into the task and call the function generate image to file. And if we get the data, then we can put it out here in this thread where we're going back to the application events. Yeah, that's all, at least. What I want also to mention, if you make a program like mine and distribute it into the EU, you should have in mind that you have nowadays to make also a risk assessment about using this AI functions. And I deliver a short abstract. Can you show it for the moment? So I have integrated here in the help info about AI functionality, and then I have a PDF about this program and explain how the AI works, what it does, and how it's relevant for the European AI Act, and make the risk classification. So keep in mind, if you use nowadays AI in your programs, that you have all ways to do and deliver such informations. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. That was all for today. Bye bye.